Just signed up for Pipedrive and feeling a little overwhelmed? No worries. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you the essential features you need to know to start managing leads, contacts, and deals with confidence. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you can view your deals, activities, contacts, and performance data. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation menu. To get started, add a contact. Open the Contacts section and select the option to create a new person or organization. Enter the available information and save the record. Next, create a deal. Deals represent potential sales opportunities. Assign the deal to a contact, enter an estimated value, and place it in the appropriate pipeline stage. One of Pipedrive's most useful features is the visual sales pipeline. As opportunities progress, you can simply drag and drop deals from one stage to another to track their status. To stay organized, schedule activities such as calls, meetings, or follow-ups. Activities help ensure that no important task gets missed during the sales process. Pipedrive also includes reporting tools that help you monitor sales performance, review completed activities, deal progress, and revenue forecasts directly from the reporting area. As your CRM grows, use filters and the search function to quickly find contacts, deals, and activities. This can save a lot of time when managing larger sales pipelines. And that's the basic workflow for using Pipedrive as a beginner. So once you get comfortable with contacts, deals, activities, and reporting, you'll be able to manage your sales process much more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.